Welcome to Military TV 1, a YouTube channel made for military fans. In our channel, you will find interesting videos about modern military technology. Stay tuned, make sure to subscribe then turn on notifications, and don't miss out. The AH-60 for Apache is the Army's heavy divisional course attack helicopter. The AH-6 for D longbow reconditioning effort incorporates a millimeter-wave fire control radar frequency interferometer, fire-and-forget radar-guided Hellfire missile, as well as cockpit management and digitalization upgrades. The aircraft's combination of FCR, RFI, and advanced navigation and avionics suite provides enhanced situational awareness, lethality, and survivability. The AH-6 for Apache has a 4-blade main rotor and a 4-blade tail rotor. The crew sat in pairs, with the pilot sitting behind and above the co-pilot, gunner. Both crew members were able to fly the aircraft and carry out weapons attack methods independently. The crew compartment has armor between the cockpits, so at least one crew member can survive an attack. The rotor compartment and blades are designed to withstand a 23mm 0.91 in bullet impact. The airframe has 2,500 pounds 1,100 kilograms of protection and has a self-sealing fuel system to protect against ballistic projectiles. The aircraft was designed to meet the crashworthiness requirements of MIL STD 1-90, which establishes minimum requirements for attenuation of crash impact energy to minimize crew injuries and fatalities. This is achieved through the incorporation of increased structural strength, impact-resistant landing gear, seats and fuel systems. Up to 6 AH-6 for Apaches can be safely installed in the cargo hold of a U.S.F. Lockheed C-5 Galaxy. One of the most distinguishing features upon the introduction of the Apache was its helmet-mounted display, the Integrated Helmet and Display Sighting System IHADSS. Among other capabilities, the pilot or gunner can mount the helicopter's 30mm automatic M230 chain gun to his helmet, making the weapon's tracking head move where he is looking. The M230 OE1 can be mounted in a locked forward firing position, or controlled via the Target Acquisition and Designation System tags. The AH-60 for performance standard for air cannons is to achieve at least one hit for every 30 shots fired at a wheeled vehicle at a range of 800 to 1,200 meters, 870 to 1,300 yards. The AH-6 for is designed to survive in a frontline environment and operate day or night and in adverse weather via onboard avionics and sensor suites. These systems include the Target Acquisition and Designation System, Pilot Night Vision System TADS, PNVS, Passive Infrared Countermeasures, GPS, and IHADSS.